Hi, good day. My name is Jenilyn Ford, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Virtual Machine by Oracle. In your browser, you're going to search for virtualbox.org/download. Then click the version that is best for your operating system. I'll be using the Windows version. After the download is completed, find where you have downloaded a file and open it, and then click Run. Click Next. Next again. Select where you want features to be installed, create start menu entries, create a shortcut on the desktop, create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, register file associations. Click Next. There you'll be given a warning. Installing the Oracle VM VirtualBox networking feature will reset your network connections and temporarily disconnect you from the network. Proceed with installation now. Click Yes. Click Install to begin the installation. If you want to review or change any of your installation settings, click Back. Click Cancel to exit the wizard. Again. Then we shall wait for it to be completed. Start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation. Click Finish.